Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. I just received a priority mail package today, and this is from an auction I won. Not an eBay auction, a local auction. And they had a bunch of coins, bunch of different things for sale. It was online, sight unseen, just had some little pictures to go with it. So I kind of took a chance, and I think I did alright overall. I'll give you some of the details later. But let's go ahead and take a look. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and cut this thing open. Hopefully it won't damage anything, and I don't think I will, but let me get the paperwork out of here. And this is what I have. It's all bubble wrap. It's actually packaged pretty nice. Let's go ahead and get this thing open. And see what we have. So, let the camera up here a little bit. It is 1946 Roosevelt dimes. Now, I have to tell you, I forgot they were all 1946. I knew they were Roosevelt dimes, but anyway, and I couldn't see the condition of them because of the pictures, but these look to be in very good shape. In fact, they all look to be BU, really good shape actually. But I know that Rosies, don't tend to carry a whole lot of value above spot or melt because they are, pretty common to be in pretty good shape. I'll get my red book out and take a look just to make sure there's nothing special about the 46. And looking at the mint marks, I don't think there's any different in the mint marks either. They all look to be the same. So the deal was, it was 20 of them. I bid on them and got them for $22. So that's, about spot if you were to calculate it. So if I go to one of my favorite websites, coinapps.com, and use their coin melt value calculator, it comes out to 20 dimes comes out to $22.53. So anyway, I knew that ahead of time that that was about $22. So did pretty well on them. The thing that I didn't do well on was the shipping. So this, like I said, this is a local auction house, probably 25 minutes from where I live. So I figured I'd go ahead and buy them, and they said the pickup was an option. So I was just planning on driving up there and picking them up, just deviate from my errands a little bit and would be okay. However, I then found out that they were only open for a couple hours the next day. And of course I had to work that day, so I guess I just didn't think that far ahead. I thought they might be open on Saturday. I could take a ride up there. But they weren't. So they charged me some money for shipping. And as we know, that then takes this pretty good deal and turns it into not quite such a great deal. So still did okay. Still happy to add to my constitutional silver, my junk, my 90%. I'm still happy to have 20 nice dimes to it. But I like getting better deals than that. Like I've showed in many of my videos, if you hold out, you can get this stuff for spot or below. But these dimes are in great shape. I mean, there's not a flawed dime on here. So whoever collected them or picked them out of wherever they got them from, they preserved them quite well. Now, I'm not one that keeps my constitutional silver in flips like this. I'll probably leave them in there because they're already flipped and identified and put in here very nicely. I mean, it's a very nice looking set and collection. But I generally just throw my constitutional silver into tubes and keep them that way. But let's go ahead and just look at one of these on the coin cam. And give it a little bit of a focus there. It's hard to see the year on there. And this plastic, I'm sure the plastic film covering isn't helping. But anyway, nothing special there, just a 1946 dime. Pretty cool. Well, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Just wanted to show you another pretty good deal and encourage you guys to continue to look and continue to investigate. I actually had a friend of mine send me a text saying, hey, are you aware of this auction going on? Because I wasn't. They had lots of constitutional silver for sale, a lot of quarters, a lot of dimes. I was somewhat aware of the potential shipping and stuff, so, you know, most people know what the value of that stuff is, and once they get it up there, I'm just not going to bid once it gets too high. And so I didn't on most of it, but this was a pretty cool set. I was pretty happy getting it for $22. So thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, why don't you go ahead and do that now. Just go ahead and click on the subscribe button. And also, check out these video recommendations that I popped up for you. Got some great content in there. Go ahead and click on them and check them out. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.